welcome you all for the next session of concrete technology, and that is the durability of concrete. This is from the topic of from third module. Okay, so we'll study what is mean by durability and what are the factors which are affecting the durability. Okay, for a long time the concrete was considered to be very durable material requiring a little or no maintenance. So we consider that the concrete is a durable material for longer days. The assumption is largely true except when it is subjected to highly aggressive environment. We build a concrete structure in highly polluted urban and industrial areas, aggressive marine environments, harmful subsoil water in a coastal area, and many other hostile conditions where other materials of construction are found to be non-durable. Since the use of concrete in recent years has spread to highly harsh and hostile condition, the earlier impression that concrete is a very durable material is being threatened, particularly on account of premature failure of number of structures in the recent and past. In the past, only the strength of concrete was considered in the concrete mix design procedure, assuming strength of a concrete is an all preventing factor for all other desirable properties of a concrete, including durability. For the first time, this Poisson opinion has proved wrong in the late 1930s when they found that the series of failure of a concrete pyramids have taken place due to the frost attack. Although the compressive strength is a measure of durability to great extent, it is not entirely true that the strong concrete is always a durable concrete. For example, while it is structurally possible to build a jetty pier in a marine condition with a 20 megapascal concrete, the environmental condition can lead this structure into a disastrous consequences. In addition, the strength of concrete, another factor, environmental condition or what we generally call exposure condition, has become an important consideration for durability. Yeah, so in olden days, what we consider the strength and the durability are same. If the concrete is achieved a good strength, then we can say that is a durable concrete. But it is not true. Some of the environmental conditions are when not favoring to the concrete, then the durability of a concrete is going to reduce this if it is having a sufficient strength. Okay, so the factors affecting this durability are different and the factors affecting the strength are different. Both are same. The concrete is having a good compressive strength may have a less durability. Okay, so durability is the living span, okay, like a living span of a concrete, and, in normal words. Okay, so how many days the concrete is durable, that we need to study. So what is the significance of durability, why we need to consider durability in the construction of a concrete structure, that we'll see. That is definition and significance of durability. So the definition of durability is the durability of cement concrete is defined as its ability to resist weathering action, chemical attack, abrasion, or any other process of deterioration. Okay, so durable concrete will retain its original form, quality, and serviceability when it is exposed to the environment. Okay, so the durability is resistance capacity of a concrete, or it is ability of a concrete to resist some environmental conditions like a chemical attack. Chemical attack is from the environmental pollution, and abrasion is what the rubbing action between two items, and any other process of deterioration. So if it is having the resistivity capacity against these factors, then I can say it as a durable concrete. If a concrete fails to resist the chemical attack, then I cannot say it is a durable concrete. So if you want to say the concrete is a durable one, it should resist the natural effects or environmental effect. So durable concrete will always retain its original form, quality, and serviceability when it is exposed to the environment. What is the significance of durability? Significance means why we need to consider what is the importance of that durability. When designing a concrete mix or designing a concrete structure, the exposure condition at which the concrete is supposed to withstand is to be assessed in the beginning with a good judgment. In case of foundations, the soil characteristics are to be required to be investigated. The environmental pollution is increasing day by day, particularly in urban areas and in industrial atmosphere. It is reported that in industrially developed countries, over 40% of the total resources of the building industries are spent on repairs and maintenance. In India, the money that spent on repair of building is also considerable. Every government department and municipal bodies have their own repair boards to deal with the repair of buildings. It is sad state of affairs that we do not give enough attention to durability aspects when we carry out repairs. We carry out a repairs job in casual manner using only the ordinary cement mortar practiced from long back. Today the special repair materials and techniques are available. The use of such materials make the repair job more effective and durable. These aspects have been covered in the next chapter. But another point of consideration is that presently the use of concrete has been extended to more hostile environments. Having already used up all good favorable cities, even the good materials such as aggregate sand are becoming short supply. No doubt that cement production is modernized, but sometimes the second grade raw materials such as limestone containing excess of chloride is being used for processing economical reasons. Recently, the maximum permissible chloride content in cement has been increased to 0.1%. This has a high permissible chloride content in a cement demands must trigger durability consideration in the other aspects of a concrete making practices to keep the total chloride content in a concrete within a permissible limits. In other words, consideration for durability of modern concrete construction assume much more importance than hitherto practiced. Okay. So as we know, why we need to consider durability is because the concrete is going to subject it to different hostile conditions or hostile environment, means worst environment like industries and different type of environmental pollutions and all. When the chemicals present in that pollutions are attacking to the cement, the durability of a concrete going to reduces. When durability reduces, there is the occurrence of cracks and the collapse of the buildings. So you need to construct such a buildings that can resist that chemical attack. So then that concrete we can say it as a durable concrete. So what are the different factors which are affecting this durability? If you want to if you want your concrete to be durable for a longer days, how you need to prepare that concrete? What are the factors to be considered while preparing a concrete for durable one? The first one is a water cement ratio. So as we know, the water cement ratio is an important factor for volume change, and higher water cement ratio is the fundamental cause of higher permeability. Yes, true. If it is higher the water cement ratio, higher will the permeability. It will flow the fastly. Therefore, use of higher water cement ratio causes the permeability and it causes the volume change, cracks, disintegration, failure of concrete. It is a cyclic process for durability. So therefore, for a durable concrete, use of lowest water cement ratio is a fundamental required to procedure dense and impermeable concrete. So if you want to get a dense and a durable concrete, the water cement ratio should be less. The more the water cement ratio, the more will be the permeability. The more will be the permeability, more will be the volume change. The more will be the volume change, that is shrinkage, it causes the cracks. So more the cracks, then disintegration and collapse. Hence the durability gets reduces. So hence you should use the lesser water cement ratio. Okay. And next the permeability. One more factor is the permeability. So we have discussed that water cement ratio is a fundamental point for concrete durability. Another important point of consideration is permeability of a concrete. When we talk about the durability of a concrete, generally we start discussion from permeability of a concrete, as it has a much wider and direct repercussion on durability that of water cement ratio. For example, the micro cracks at a transition zone is considered for permeability, where water cement ratio may not get involved directly. It may be mentioned that micro cracks in the initial stage are small, that they may not increase the permeability, but propagation of micro cracks with the time due to the drying shrinkage, thermal shrinkage and externally applied load will cause the permeability in the system, and this will increase the cracks and reduces the durability. So if the concrete is more permeable or more flowable, then the cracks will be more. the normal hair cracks, as the time goes, the normal hair cracks is going to increase and reduces the durability. Hence, the permeability of the concrete paste is also a very important factor during the durability. Okay, so this is what the durability of a concrete. Okay, so very important concept, that is durability of a concrete. So all of during this you need to study the cracks also, because the cracks will occur because of the less durability of a concrete. So what is this cracks, how this occurs, and what are the factors affecting the cracks, how the cracks will form, that you need to study with this durability of a concrete. Okay, so this is regarding the durability of a concrete.